Hey, Dr. Joel Baumgartner here. Super excited about my new book, Regenerate. This book basically is a labor of love over the last 3 years, kind of putting into play all the things I'm super passionate about. The book is about how to restore your health and avoid drugs and surgery, and it focuses on, first part of it is just focusing on lifestyle. Everything to an amazing nutrition plan that's going to teach you how to lose weight very safely, but also how do you keep it off. So it's going to blast all the old diet plans out, showing you true health, true nutrition, and how to do that to lose weight, optimize your body composition. It also goes into every other aspect of our health, from hydration, stress management, how do we sleep. All those things are super important for our body's ability to repair and live longer and healthy. The other thing that it goes into too, it talks a lot about PRP and stem cell procedures as the new frontier in orthopedics. So it's going to teach you all the different options you have as a consumer if you don't want the cortisone shots, the pain medication, or the surgery. It's going to show you a new way to treat that body. So super excited about my book. It's out now on Amazon, Regenerate, and super excited. I think we're going to change a lot of lives.